Yazi mina ngifuna ukunitshela into eyi-one. Uyabona lo soft tissue benu bala eSouth Africa bokuzenza ama-intellectuals bokuzenza abantu abasofti abathatha izinto nge-constitution nangedemocracy. Hey, yazi lento le kudala ngayikhuluma before ama-election. Ngayikhuluma before ama-election. Angeke nilithathe lezo ngedemocracy. Nangale constitution enonikhuluma ngani busy into ke ni preach le break wayizo le gebengu zona self leader. Mina ngifuna nje ukunitshela nje iqiniso, angeke nize nilithathe ene nibulawa ilento yokuthi uma ningakhona ukwenza ningakhona uku-initiate anikhona ukusupport abantu abakhona uku-initiate nabantu abayibonayo indlela ukuthi nayi iyabonakala ngempela ke siyenzeni lento sibona ngeke izisincede. uRobert noRamaphosa ne-DA bathenge wonke amaphoyisa lama cartel njengoba sebenzela uSalvia uPaul Salvia into eyodwa labantu laba basebenza bonke. Angeke nithi ningabantu eSouth Africa nazo umthetho nivumele ukuthi amaphoyisa abantu abangene ngama-qualifications emsebenzini abatrainelwe umsebenzi wabo bayobuzwa yigebengu ama-question kuma-commissions. Yabona nje ninenkinga eSouth Africa eserious ningakayiboni leyo nto ngeke niphinde nilithathe lelizwe elikamjokwane kaNdaba. Lelizwe niloke nilicula nithi umhlaba wonke ezandleni angeke nize nilibuyise ngale mentality esiphethe. We are still controlled by the cartels zama drug dealer abo Ramaphosa nabantwana babo nabo Robert. Lezi zinto bazenze deliberately. Khona manje yona le democracy enikhuluma ngayo nayi abantu bavotela iMK 37 seats but iMK ngaphandle ayilidi kulida igebengu ziyaqhubeka zithatha iprovince ngenkani okunibonisayo ukuthi amavote eMK athathwe ngenkani. iANC neDA they planned this but still ngithulile nonke eSouth Africa. Sibuswa yigebengu, sibuswa abantu abathengisela izingane zethu ama-drugs, sibuswa abantu ababulala isizwe, sibuswa abantu izingane ziyaphela aziye ezikolweni, izingane zibhema ama-drugs, amaphoyisa athengisa ama-drugs bese nithi nise-country engcono. Ningcono ngani? Yini eningcono ngayo? Lezwe ifasilithathi ngenkani indaba yokuvota nani makumele kuyogwaca sameni sogwaca once sazi ukuthi sifela into ekhona futhi siboshelwa nento ekhona futhi akekho sazosibopha makuthi izwe silithatha ngenkani. Akekho sazosibopha uma izwe silithatha ngenkani. Nganitshela mina kudala ngathi amaphoyisa asebenzela igebengu. Amaphoyisa wona self igebengu. Amaphoyisa eSouth Africa phenduka igebengu. Amaphoyisa asebenzela igebengu eSouth Africa. Wonke umuntu uthulile yonke into inormal as long umuntu avuke ekseni edla ehamba emsebenzini abuye akacabangi ikusasa lezingane zakhe ukuthi izingane kusasa ziyophila kanjani, ziyophila kuliphizwe. Impilo le kumele siyiphile la eSouth Africa. Singabo don't care as long mina ngi-right. Omunye sekazosibona uphuma kanjani. Angeke silibuyise lezwe. Ngeke silibuyise lezwe ngevote. Ngisasho namanje. Ngisayiphinda lento. Lezwe ngeke lize libuye ngevote. Lezwe amabhuna walithathanga ngevote, alithatha ngenkani. Nina yini lenifuna ukuzenza ngayo osweet Messiah bala eSouth Africa ama-intellectuals ngoba nakusesa senafundisa isilungu, nafundiswa isilungu, senikhuluma isilungu, senifuna ukuthatha izwe ngesilungu nangevote. Ngeke silibuyise lezwe ngevote. Ngeke. Mina ngifuna nje ukunitshela iqiniso. Izwe liyobuya ngesibhamu. Izwe liyobuya ngesibhamu. Izwe liyobuya ngokugwaca. manisaze so soft nihambe ningene emaparlament akhiwa abelungu niyokhuluma isilungu nibhidilishe lesilungu senu amaparlament wonke akhiwa abelungu ningena kuwa ama legislator la akhiwa abelungu nisathobela imithetho yabelungu bese niyabuya nithi nizothatha izwe lokhokho benu hayibo kahleni kahleni.
Siyabingelela cha nami ngikhona la egroupini ngiyona futhi MK so izinto eziningi nje ze-MK ngiyazazi so ngiyayilandela ezinye futhi yikhona le group ngayijoyina so bengilokhu ngilandela nami la ngisalalela ngoba ke uma usafika mhlambe entweni yikuthi kukose ukuthi ulandelele kahle uthole kahle but okokuqala nje ngathola ukuthi igroup eyomsebenzi kuphela ngezwe kanjalo makugcizelela ukuthi le group le igroup yomsebenzi uma kusho ukuthi makukhona inkinga noma la usebenza khona noma la ubona khona mhlawumbe ukuthi noma makukhona abashoyo ukuthi banenkinga kuphi kodwa ke ngibuka ngathi ezinye izinto sizoyikhuluma khona la egroupini ngoba nawo amagroup maningi akhona maningi amagroup akhona impela so ngiyosixolela impela bona kubalekile ukuthi umthetho wegroup siwulandele kodwa ke izinto mase zinjena sizibuka kwenzakala so umthetho siyawuphula njengoba ke vele uphulwa ke South Africa wonke umuntu uphula umthetho so nathi sizowuphula ukho sizokwenza so ngoba ngeke singene kuwo wonke ama-group idatha ke thina libuye lishaye mhlawumbe akukho mhlawumbe abekho nabasifakelayo mhlawumbe abasidonate-elayo idatha so manje libuye lishaye because izinto eziningi idinga idatha yabo so nama-group maningi namanje lana bengibuka nje khona amanye kumele uwajoyine so uyabona ukuthi uma usugcina ususemagroupini amaningi kakhulu nawe uzogcina ungasazi ukuthi kwenzakalani mhlambe noma uya kuphi uyabo so mhlambe ezinye izinto sogcina sesizikhuluma ngapha hayi ukuthi ngoba mhlambe umthetho wegroup singawulandeli yini kodwa ke ngesimo sokuthi nawo amagroup maningi kakhulu so yeah sengilalelile la ama-comrades sengiwazwile kakhulu nje namanye bexoxa nje kuke kwaxoxwa nje kwabanzana impela nami ngilokhu ngilandela so noma-ke abanye bengizwa ukuthi mhlambe kukhona abangahambisani nakho kwezinye izinto ebeyishiwoyo la kodwa-ke iqiniso lokho kufanele sikwazi futhi sikuqonde ukuthi yebo-ke iqiniso alithandeki futhi liyalumela siyayisisho njalo uyabona kodwa-ke uma kuyiqiniso iqiniso so vele-ke awuthandeki uma ukhuluma iqiniso futhi awuthandwa nabanye nje abekho emhlabeni kunamhlanje ngazi indaba zawo amaqiniso kodwa-ke iqiniso liyakha ukuthi-ke mhlawumbe simana silithandi kodwa liyakha iqiniso so futhi iqiniso-ke malakha into eyohlala isikhathi eside into yeqiniso kunale yamanga ngoba eyamanga jika axabanise futhi uyabona so ngicathi kufanele sihlukanise ukuthi iqiniso lona libaluleke kakhulu ngiyandlula-ke lapho ngingene kulokhu namhlanje-ke cha siyezwa la sibonga ne-report esithulelwe yona la siyitholile noma-ke thina vele besingekho singakhona ukufinyelela eMaritzburg kodwa-ke sesitholile ukuthi-ke kwenzakaleni so-ke salithola lonke iqiniso ukuthi-ke kwenzakalani uyabona kukhona into engifuna mhlambe ukuyiveza la so ethi mhlambe yini umzabalazo makukhulunywa nje ngomzabalazo ukuthi mhlambe mangakhona nje umuntu obuzayo ukuthi umzabalazo yini makukhulunywa ngomzabalazo kusuke kukhulunywa ngani yabo silwane sini umzabalazo makuthiwa nje umzabalazo lo noma umzabalazo lesikuwo kusuke kukhulunywa ngani makukhulunywa ngomzabalazo okokuqala okwesibili mawuzabalaza usuke uzabalazelela ini umuntu nomuntu if esemzabalazweni yini into esuke izabalazela umuntu mayesemzabalazweni ukuze abe semzabalazweni yini eyenza ukuthi uzungene ube semzabalazweni yini osuke uyizabalazela yebo usungenile uzabalazelela yini lo izabalazelayo yabona so angazi kodwa nje ngithi angiveze lokho ukuthi ezinye izinto kufanele sizibuke ukuthi njengoba iminyaka ihamba nje njengoba unyaka uphela nalo sibheke ku-2026 ngicabanga ukuthi ezinye izinto ezisifundisayo lezo ukuthi sibuyele back emuva ku-drawing board siyoqala kabusha kwesidraw sibuke ukuthi ukusuka isiqale i-MK iqala until manje kwenzakalani ikuphi esesikuzuzile ikuphi esisazokuzuza uyabona so ngicabanga ukuthi-ke lokho kuzivula amehlo ekuthenini njengoba kuke kwakhona abebeveza ukunganeliseki ngendlela okwenzakala ngayo ku-MK mhlambe-ke thina abanye noma abanye ababuka ngazathi abakhulumi kahle akunjani uyabona kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi-ke ezinye izinto zakhona ziyavela ukuthi kukhona okungahambi kahle khona mawubuka uyabona so nami ngithi akwengiveze lokho ukuthi kufanele mhlambe sazi noma siyazi into esiyizabalezelayo ukuthi sizabalezela ini into esifake kumzabalazo sifakwe yini ngumzabalazo yini into esayibuka sase sithi siyazabalaza-ke manje uyabona so
ake ngiyabingelela Jefforces hey ngiyayithanda inkulumo yakho ngoba is open for discussion. The problem with the EFF is the leader. It keep on, turning now and again. Remember, leader yabo labeled us as their enemy number one. And when you look to social medias, there is a call from them to character assassinate EMKP in whatever way. Looking to the issue of this councillor that was involved with UIF scandal, Abantu, they are just, and most EFF members, they are just quoting that identification of the man, MKP councillor, without looking to or maybe checking the merit of all this case. Just MK councillor is good for them to assassinate MKP. It's good to to associate ourselves with different organizations, but at the same time we must be wise. We must be very, very wise. Singasitholi sesizilahlela kubo basishaye futhi kuma social media singasakwazi ukudefenda.
Well, Kida Khosi, it's a very powerful ideology ewilethayo And inside, on a serious note, we need which is Basondes, not only EFF, bafowethu azapha ayikho, iPEC ayikho, basikhapha day in, but they're so persistent. You know, I ask myself, what keeps these people so persistent? There is another guy in my ward. He's a PEC. Since I'm a PEC member. You understand? Lama parties, you know, the mind that was in Msholozi, let it be in us, in recruiting lama small parties. I'm telling you, singabona imanga. You know, I even have a thought ukuthi yabona somehow ngingengagane nabo la ewardini nami ngithi guys, you know what, us just jump in lo mnxele wokuvota, then ngale bese sidiscussa something different. Singabantwana bomuntu, sisebenzeleni iwadi sonke, asivoteleni iparty esibonayo ukuthi ingaphatha besides DA or ANC. And niyabona ukuthi the next on the line it's MK. Come into the party, join us, fill us in ukuthi after sesiceda ngale, then sizobe sikhuluma one language, nizobe nisifundisa something, sinifundisa something, sibuyela emasebeni, sibuyisela umhlaba ebantwini abamnyama, siyenza sisebenza. Because on a nice narrative, siyabona masoja la emkhontweni basenzani, basivurvayo, basivova, bayasivova. And I like what you just said and allude to the fact indaba masoja. Nami that's my philosophy regarding la masoja lawala. Bas bulldozer on a serious note. Really. Bayenza ezinye izinto ezibukwayo. So asidonseni lamanye ama-party amancane. I concur nawe, Comrade Khosi. Sike sodonseni lama-parties amancane. Sodonseni sithi guys niyabona niyasikhapha njalo. Mobilizana ama-member, tasivule iteleni umkhonto. Then ngale umkhonto uwina, sisobona ukuthi sikhuluma kanjani. Phela thina siphushele ukuthi DA ayiphathi, action eseyayiphathi. Because umntwana we-DA abobhusasa they're useless, abekho nokuba khona egazi. I-EFF sondela mfowethu, sike sikhulumeni, asihlaleni phansi, asikhulumeni. I mean, uniting. This is izinto ngabe sikhuluma ngazo day in ukuthi sibangena kanjani. Sibuyela kanjani emasebeni guys. Sibuyela kanjani emasebeni. This is what we need ngabe sikhuluma ngayo day in and day out. Yes, abaningi, hayi mina ngikhathele dala ngisebenzela umkhonto asali. But you know, I love the word persistence. The word persistence, mawungakayitholi into uyifunayo, you don't give up. Umhlaba ungakabuyeli ebantwini abamnyama, you don't give up. Imoto zakho zingafa, imali yabantwana bakho ingasetshenziswa, but mawungakayitholi into uyifunayo, the word persistence means that exactly. Let us be persistent, like lama parties amancane, abo PEC, abo Azania. They are so persistent. Thina uzozo abantu bakumkhonto, yo imoto zami zimoshakele, hey angisafuni ukukhipha next ngikhathele. Hayibo, asikakayitholi into esifunayo, ukhathala kanjani? Asikhumbuleni, asilungiseli thina, silungisela abantwana bethu nezizukulwane zethu. they will see ukuthi usebenzile. They will hear abantu bathi yo umama wakho baba wakho umkhulu wakho usebenzele le ward. Asiyekeni ukusebenzela thina man. Sebenzeleni the next generation. Our time has passed. We are now working for the next generation. We can't give up. Sibuyeleni emasebeni. VD based. Cela sibuyeleni isihlobo. Bhalisa ama-form and keep them kuwe mawahambisi. That's your recognition mayofuna iposition ukuthi nawe I've got 500 yabantu ababhaliswe yimi. I deserve that post. Sizokufaka because une-proof ukuthi uyasebenza. Ukuthi uyasebenza ngempela. Manje mawukhuluma ungana nothing. Sobona phi? Ikuphi proof ukuthi uyasebenza? Ikuphi? Show us. Asebenzeni emasebeni sihlobo. Asebenzeni. Sibe persistence. Persistence should be our number one goal. We will never give up until abantu abamnyama bakhululeka. Danko.
Belaphi bendabuko comrades MK Ground Forces KZN KwaZulu Natal VN Dokotela uKhehlelezi lokhulumako cishe iVN esithi thina final singena endumisweni ziningi izinto ezehlela uMoses makumele ayongena eKenani ilingo esatshiswa konke kodwa ke esikuthembayo konke okwenzeka ku-MK manje sinale nkolelo ethi MK is a spiritual organization. Yonke into iyazihlela, wonke umuntu ebethi yena i-MK yabhayiza why inamasitha u-37 kodwa niphethwe i-IFP. Ithi incwadi eka-Isaiah, when the time is right I shall make it happen. Akekho onganqaba uma uNkulunkulu esevumile nedlozi abaphansi masebevumile. I think ngesisuthu noma ngesitswana kuthiwa kinako. It is time for us to claim our victory. It is time for us to claim our victory. Engikushoyo ukuthi bafowethu lalelani. Kukhona abakhulumayo, kukhona abasabisayo, abakhuluma izinto ezehlukene ukuthi ke kusasa impela iIFP ivalile neDA ivalile kuyoqhuma isibhamu kuyenzeka yonke into. I believe that we are disciplined comrades and our president, our leader is a very disciplined comrade. Tomorrow we are not going there to do what is called a physical fight, but we are going there to demonstrate our freedom of right. So demonstrate what people of KZN wanted. Siyokhombisa ugogo hlele ekhaya ukuthi nansi into esasiyilindile, asixhamazeli amanga ayashesha ukufika emakhaya. Iqiniso lithatha isikhathi eside kodwa mase lifikile kuyebhubha izinto eziningi. Sasa let me tell you guys, whoever is listening to this voice note, there is no one ozobekwa isandla ezomthetho amaphoyisa ezokuphepha umkhwanazi uqinisekisile lokho ukuthi uzodeploy amaphoyisa more than 300 azobe khona kusasa. I-public violence bonke, even NIU crime intelligence, abe-intelligence bazobe bekhona beqaphe isimo sonke somuntu ozama ukuthreatina bonke abantu. Akekho-ke ozothreatina omunye. Siyacela-ke bafowethu abathinta amanzi amponjwane bazama ukwehlisa kancane, at least abakwenze sebephumile sebeyocelebrate, but bengaqokile phela iskipa somkhonto wesizwe. Kusasa akekho umuntu ozoshaywa, akekho umuntu ozoyenziwa nix. Lokho ngiyakusho ngiyaqinisekisa asiphumeni ngobuningi bethu, transport or not, let us all go out. Ngiyakhumbula umkhonto wesizwe safika, sasingaceli ichaso, sasingaceli transport umuntu. Wawuthi wena uma unemoto yakho unohamba wedwa uthatha abantu abawu-3 wafaka emotweni. Asenzeni njalo bafowethu. Let us show in number, let us show the enemy that indeed we are frustrated. Remember, ngomhla ka-16 on Tuesday, MK will be celebrating the 2nd year anniversary. MK yaba khona. We will be celebrating also that. Uthola le VN ngicela uyidlulisele kugogo ofisa ukuya laphana, kubaba ofisa ukuya kwingane yesikolo. Sithi thina i-youth iyadingeka kakhulu, ayiphume yonke. Abelaphi bendabuko besicela ukubabona bembathe amabhayi wabo, begqoke iy'kibha zabo, befake imiqhele yabo, bekhombisa ukuphahla. Abaphahlayo namhlanje abaphahla kokugcina. Konakele impela, amazwi ethu aseyahamba ngoba silokho esikhulekile, silokho esikhulume nabaphansi sithi ngeke izwe silithathe ngokukhokha ama-bribery, kodwa iqiniso sekuyisikhathi sokuthi livele kubantu. Lithatha isikhathi ukuthi livele, kodwa-ke sikhathele ukuphathwa uhulumeni la abanaka khona iy'ntombi zabo, la okufanele kuqashwe iy'ngane, umuntu kufanele kuqale kulalwe nabantu. Sikhathele ukuphathwa kanjalo. Asambeni sonke ngobuningi, akekho umuntu oyodutshulwa, akekho umuntu oyoshaywa, amaphoyisa azobe echithwe kakhulu. Nawe ojwayele ipolitiki yokushaya abanye, ungalingi ukwenza lokho kusasa ngoba uzoyithola ulala ubaliwe. Kunamaphoyisa adeployiwe azobe engayifakile i-uniform because abayifuni lento yokuthiwa it's a political war. Izobe ibhekwe kakhulu le nto yakusasa. Umkhwanazi uqinisekisile lokho. So let us all behave. Singatholi sekuboshwa ama-comrade wethu e-MK, asibehaveni. Amandla asibonane khona kusasa bafowethu. Lokho esijwayele ukwenza behleka abantu, cha ngicabanga ukuthi siphahle kakhulu ke manje. Le VN ayihambe kakhulu. Awubuye umhlaba wethu, ayibuye i-KZN. Hayi ngokuthuka abantu kusasa, hayi ngempi, kodwa sithemba laba abazobe bephakathi e-legislature abalenzi iqiniso, abalenza be-EFF iqiniso, abalenza be-DA iqiniso, abalenza be-ANC iqiniso, ngoba uNembeza udla umniniyo. Kungenzeka bakhona ama-opposition party abafisayo ukuthi i-MK ayithathe okungokwayo. Siyacela bafethu uma kuwukuthi niyayithola le VN, yenzani iqiniso, yenzani iqiniso ngempela. Siyabonga nisayidlulisa i-VN, nidlulisela kwabanye. uNkulunkulu anibusise. I thank you.
Ma-comrade again ake ngibingelele. Kunento engifisa ukuyichaza la engicabanga ukuthi abantu banelungelo ukuthi bangiphikise noma bavumelane nami. Kumqoka ngicabanga ukuthi njengoba siku-MK kumqoka ukusiza lezi zinto lezi. Ngokwami ukubona i-MK njengamanje singaphansi kwe-umbrella ye-MK sonke sihlukene into 4 different groups. Singama-groups amangakhi ayi-4. Ngizoqala nje ngichaze le group yokuqala. I-group yokuqala i-group yabantu abangama-opportunist. Leyo group leyo i-group yabantu abathe uma bebona iqembu elisha lomkhonto wesizwe livumbuka belibone ukuthi lizothandwa abantu bangena phakathi. And then kodwa into yabo abayithanda kakhulu leyo group leyo ukuthi-ke baziposition. They just want ukuthi-ke ba-benefit in terms of getting into positions, all that and everything. And then if it needs be bakhuphuke bangene emandleni, and then kodwa basebenzele izisu zabo kuphela. Leyo group leyo nayo siyayamukela ikhona la ngaphakathi, and then abanye bavele bayiveze babonakala obala. So i-group yokuqala le. I-group yesibili ile group le engichaza ukuthi abantu nje abazithandela nje umsholozi, yabona, abantu abamthanda kudala ngokuthi uyayiculela umshini wami, abantu futhi abanye bamthandiswa ukuthi wabonakala kunezinto azenzayo emkhontweni the time eseyi-president ye-ANC, eyi-president yezwe i-country South Africa, kunezinto ezimqoka abayinothisi abayibona ukuthi uyazenza. So bayamthanda nje, bamthandela lokho. So kunezinto-ke nabo futhi abayithole beyi-benefita, bayamthanda nje, into yabo nje ukuthanda umsholozi kodwa bona labo bantu laba abanayo i-deeper understanding of a political ideology umsholozi that stood for. So njengamanje kodwa nje bayamlandela bayamthanda, and we are happy with those kinds of people. Ku-right ukuthi babe khona la emkhontweni, but they also do need a political education so that they know ukuthi bangalandeli umuntu kepha balandele ukuthi what that person stands for, and then nanokuthi what is the political ideology of that particular someone. Bese kuba igroup yesithathu. Igroup yesithathu ile group etshalwe izitha zethu, abanye batshalwa abelungu, abanye batshalwe ANC. Leyo group leyo ngingayichaza njengokuthi iJabulane Khumalo group. Labo bantu labo ke balethwe la kuKhongolose to cause i-confusion, balethwe la kuKhongolose to cause ama-disputes and unnecessary fights. And labo bantu labo bayitholile imali. uJabulane Khumalo was identified and he was expelled from the party. But kunabantu that were working for him, kunabantu that were taking instruction from him, and then also those people also received money, and we don't even know how much money they have received. Abanye mhlambe bathola 200, abanye $500,000, abanye 1 million. So why these people are still in? They were not identified because nabo bagqoke ikipa efana nathi. Bawumkhonto wesizwe bakhuluma njengathi, but ilanguage yabo iqhezuka nje kancane. It caused a very huge impact, caused a confusion amongst the people who are followers of MK. So abanye babo, they are still within and bayasebenza basemsebenzini because they have received money, and they are still also cashing some money from the enemy, which is the ANC and white monopoly capital. Leyo ke igroup yesithathu, which is very much dangerous. We don't like that group. Labo bantu labo, they need to be identified and be removed from MK because they are dangerous. Bafana la bantu ababa njengo Cyril Ramaphosa no Thabo Mbeki kwi-ANC, the time sesekwi-exile, even sebuyile sekunegotiate. Labo bantu labo, we cannot afford to remain with them. We cannot afford to entertain them. I think labo bantu labo badinga ukuthi ba-identifywe bese bayakhona ukuthi baqondiswe. Number last group, the fourth one, ngicabanga ukuthi ngichaze kahle ngathi sine group yokuqala abantu nje ama-opportunist. Group yesibili abantu abathanda umsholozi. Group yesithathu abantu abatshalwe isitha abazokhoza i-confusion. Bese kuba nale group yokugcina. Le group yokugcina yes4 abantu engikholelwa ukuthi abantu abawumkhonto wesizwe ngqo. Labo bantu labo abawumkhonto wesizwe ngqo, labo bantu labo babonakala ngani? Babonakala ngokuthi bakhulelwe, they are pregnant of i-political ideology efana nsene kamsholozi. Lolu hlobo labantu olungeke lize livume ukuthatha noma how much money abanganikezwa noma abanganunuselwa ngayo. Labo bantu labo nakuba bengakuthanda ukuthi bakhuphukele emandleni to serve the interest of the people, kodwa they cannot kill and they cannot die ngokuthi babulala abanye abantu noma balwele izikhundla. And then even if they don't receive ikhundla, noma even if they don't go up into the positions of powers, those people are able to be patient, those people are able to persevere, bahlale phansi bayithobe. All what is in their mind is to see South Africa ikhululeka, umuntu omnyama ekhululeka. And what is in their mind, those kinds of people, ukubona ukuthi ikusasa lezingane zethu noma igeneration ezayo li bright. That is what they stood for, that is what they stand for, and that is what they are prepared to die for. Lolu hlobo labantu ke ngeke lize lithathe imali, and uhlobo labantu lolu olukhathazekayo if there is any conflict if there is any confusion within a political party MK. Labantu laba ngeke bayigxeke MK even nangamaphutha MK ewenza. Labantu laba ngeke baphoxe ukuthi abatholanga izikhundla. Labantu laba, they can remain even on the grassroots, making sure ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe uyakhula. All what they want to see, these people, is to see umkhonto wesizwe ukhula, number one, is to see umkhonto wesizwe uthatha over, number two, is to see i-constitution of the country ishintsha ukuze abantu abamnyama base South Africa bezokhululeka kuze kundlulele kwi-Africa yonke as a whole. Lolu hlobo ke labantu lu patient, aluthengeki ngemali, and then futhi alilutheki noma ngabe kuthiwa lithola izikhundla liyaqhubeka lisebenzele abantu. Lolu hlobo ke labantu ke linento ethi ke they are more on the interest of the people at heart. Bathanda ukuthi basize abantu, bathanda ukubona abantu base South Africa besizakala, and labantu ke ngikhuluma ngabo okuyi group S4 bathanda umsholozi, bamthandela ideology yakhe, and bayamhlonipha, and bamregada as the mastermind, bamregada njenge master chess player. If umsholozi esho something, they respect that. If umsholozi enikeza instruction, they respect that instruction of umsholozi. Lolu hlobo labantu, abantu labo abazobekezela, abantu labo abazokwenza sure ukuthi uMK uyakhula. I thank you very much and God bless you. Bye.
Okugcina uSpeaker wase KZN ushaywe ngama feelings. That's why ekhohle uku-announce ama results. Wavele wagijimela ukuthi uNtulu sewu-premier enga-announcanga ama results ngoba yena self ngomlomo wakhe uthe I confused leya speaker, uthena abahleli phansi ngabaphikayo washintshwa wabona iMK ingathi imile ayihlalile phansi, washintsha ithoni wathi abaphakamise izandla, sangayibona izandla iphakamisa wathi is counting. Yayibona very confused speaker. But anyway umemezile wathi uNtuli uwinile ivote of no confidence ifailile, but idanger abhekene nayo akanazo inamba ukuthi laba abaphasile baphase ngama votes amangaki, abafailile bafeyila ngama votes amangaki. That is the suicidal eye committee, and is a big mistake, and bazomsola ngalonto usuka nje sha ukubamba ipolitiki ngama emotions. Politiki ayimele igijimele ngama feelings. Ngiyacela futhi ukugibela kule kilometer futhi I'm open ukuthi ngilungiswa ngokwe engicabangayo ilogic yami. Voting with the ANC like Gauteng, it was a wise move. It was a wise move ngayiphi indlela. Siphuma encindezelweni la sasicindezelwe amadlagusha, la iANC evele yakhomitha isociety ngokuba ilale embhedeni owodwa neDA neFreedom Front Plus, and iyazibonisa ilokuzane iANC ukuthi they are pro-white. So imistake leyo abayophila nayo iminyaka, and iyoba de-campaigner the rest of their lives, because iSouth Africa ibicindezelwe amadlagusha, iANC yayithatha yayibuyisela straight ezandleni zamadlagusha abelungu. Ukuthi nathi sivote nabelungu bekuzostand, kubonakala ukuthi ipolitiki abaphathi bayibuke mina ngendlela engiyibuke ngayo, ukuthi thina siMK we rather stick with the black parties than selling our souls like the ANC voting with the whites. that was a wise move ngokwami ukuthi MK ivote ne-ANC ngoba abantu ade bebize i-vote of no confidence kuPanyaza bekuyilabantu laba ababesicindezela abasasicindezele namanje. So kodwa ngivulelekile ukuthi ningilungise. Kodwa mina ngithi ngalezo zathu lezo ukuthi bekungamele bekuzosilimaza kakhulu ukubane nathi sibonakale sesihamba nalamadlagusha ayisicindezele senze imistake eyenziwe i-ANC. Ngiyabonga. Hayi, i-ANC mholi wami ngeke vele ikukhumbula ngoba emlandweni wase-Afrika i-ANC ibe iphathi yokuqala yokuthatha izwe ilibuyisele ezandleni zabacindezeli. Ibingeke vele i-ANC ikhumbule lokho ngoba imnyama ngaphandle kodwa ngaphakathi kunabelungu abakhona. So that's why i-ANC inenkinga and inkinga yayiyophila nayo iminyaka yokuthi sithe sesithi singakakhululeki ngokuphelele kodwa sesikubona ukuthi ayi sifuna ukwehlula amadlagusha yayithatha i-ANC izwe yalibuyisela ezandleni zamadlagusha. Angeke vele i-ANC ikubona. I-ANC in fact akukho okuhle okwenziwa ama-black parties ekubonayo. Into eyibonayo iyodwa yenziwa i-DA. I will quote President we-ANC when telling the councillors of the ANC ukuthi bahluleka ukusebenza bandlulwa ngamakhansela e-DA and they have to go and copycat ukuthi i-DA yenza kanjani. That is a pro-white message. So akulula ukuthi bazi ukuthi izandla ziyagezana.
Comrades, siyanibingelela man, ntambama. Sinibingelela nje ngenhliziyo ebuhlungu. Udokotela uKhehlelezi lokhulumayo. Hey, ngaze ngabuhlungu. Hey, moya wami ukhubekile kakhulu. Comrades, lokho nikuzwa from the horse's mouth. Hayi inzwa bethi. Bengikhona phakathi e-legislature kwenzeka yonke into phambi kwami. Into yenzakalile comrade, ithi into uma sivota ama-national elections, islogan saka-IEC sithi your vote is your, abaziyo ithi secret. Ma kuzofakwa uThami Ntuli kwavotwa ngani futhi ivote kwabanjani yini secret. So this time comrades, sibe sesicela ke siyi-MK ukuthi for the sake of i-safety yabantu abangakubona futhi nabangakuthina, sicela iqhubeke futhi i-secret vote. Uqhubeke the same thing ehlali yenziwa because yonke into esihlala kuvote hlala kunama-secret. Babe sebegoloza ke ngoba bazi kahle ukuthi bafuna ukubona ukuthi ubani lo ozovota against bona ukuze benze lento yabo yokuthi bambe benza lento okuthiwa ama-political killings ngoba vele yahlakazwa i-task team, a-special team ye-investigator ukufa kwama-politician. Bagoloza ke. Bathe mabegoloza ke we were the majority because EFF ilenzile iqiniso. Sishayela ihlombe kakhulu ngalokho i-EFF ilenzile kakhulu iqiniso lento eniyibone uMaleme ekhuluma e-TV, they've even demonstrated it. Babe sebemanathi balwa, they've tried khona indoda lekade isidudla beyikhatha bezama ukumshaya bemshaya wama. What we've realized there is uSpeaker was biased, was on their side. We understand ke ngoba vele uSpeaker usuka ka-ANC. into enyenzakalile laphana ngokwe-constitution nangokomthetho amaphoyisa usubs akavumelekile ukungena kuma-chambers legislature ngaphakathi because there are no threats usuke ngeke umuntu ophethe isibhamu ozoba i-threat. Abantu abavumelekile yilabo abagqoka amashethi amhlophe. Baceliwe ke laba abanye abasebenza legislature banqaba amaphoyisa kwaze kwabuya abanye laba vele abaka khale likhulu. Babuya ke bangena, and what also we have realized is the abuse eyenzeke kumuntu wesifazane, amaphoyisa eshaya umuntu wesifazane engaphethe nto elimazayo engayona i-threat. Bamshaya ke ngendlela abamshaye ngayo. So into eyenzakalile comrade bazamile ngayo yonke indlela ukuconsulta la kade beconsulta khona uspeaker uthe mayibuya lapha wabona ukuthi usethole ipressure kakhulu yokuthi sithe leyo nto yenze. Sibone comrade sekushaya izandla besukuma sebejabula siphakathi sibuka yonke into. Umthetho uthi leyanduku leyanende ifanele ibe kwiposition yayo bese ku-announcwa kune order. If there was no order, they were supposed to adjourn. Noma bayikhathe kuthiwa leyanto icollapsile akubuye kubuywe futhi kube kolunye usuku. So today's case they were forcing ukuthi abantu abavote bafuna ukubabona. Abantu bayasaba ukuvota bebuka because akuyona nami nginje bengeke ngivote ngibukwa because wonke umuntu ithi your vote is your secret. So bekungafanele babaforce abantu. Bathe besuka lapho basukuma bathi kwashaya izandla sebebuya kuyokhuluma ngamafoni namaphoyisa semaningi washaya izandla bathi sebewinile. So leyo nto iyasikhombisa ukuthi vele ubugebengu obenziwe and they've got a mandate ukuthi bathathe i-mandate yokuthi bathathe i-province ngenkani. Sibhlungu ke ngoba silwela amalungelo ethu, sibhlungu ke ngoba i-vote ilona elikhulumayo. Kodwa uhulumeni wethu uma esekwazi ukwenza into ngenkani ma comrades impi ayiphelanga, impi yaqhubeka. Impi manje sithatha sidlulisela phambili la esiyilanda khona ngomthetho. Ekuzofakwa khona i-urgent matter egijima iya enkantolo iya khona iyochaza kabanzi ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Okuhle futhi ukuthi ama-video wonke ayakhombisa into eyenzakale phakathi laphana kuma-chambers. So ibe kanjalo nje. That is the briefing for today. Mandla.
Asi ma commanders comrades morning. Uyabona 16 December elinye ilanga, so ingakho ubaba President Msholozi wa-inventa umkhonto wesizwe on the 16th of December because he knows umlando ukuthi 16 June KZN was yayiminani. Ngichaze kanje. So ngesikhathi esikashaka Zulu kwafika abelungu bafika KZN, then that was when happened ukuthi abelungu benzeni barule ilontuzi i-KZN. Okay, excuse me nangabe ngirong khona abazangilungisa. I-Blood River kulapho okwaba khona umlando. Kulo Blood River kulapho okwaliwa khona. It was on 16 June kubulawa bona abelungu cause abelungu bese bathathe iDurban. Durban igama lomlungu, Maritzburg igama lomlungu. Zonke le ndawo lezi njengoba ngizibala bo Ladysmith amagama wabelungu. So then
baze beza baloko beza bafuna ukuthatha ilontuza i-KZN yonke. So kwaba nempi, kwaliwa. Ukuliwa kwakhona, then people they protecting their province by protector i-province kwaliwa, and then-ke that's why kwaba nenhlukaniso yokuthi Ulundi, that was the capital city yeKwaZulu, i-operator abonongoma, i-operator abolontuza abophongolo, operator abomahlabathini, operator abolontuza abonquthu, operator le ndawo zonke lezi eziza ngapha. Newcastle is the name from Britain. That name comes with the British ngokuthi bebafuna ukurula ilontuza iNatal. So ngesikhathi se-apartheid, that's why i-KZN bebayibiza ukuthi it's a Natal ngoba abelungu bebafuna ukuthatha ilontuza i-KZN. Kodwa-ke uDingane wabonakalisa ukuthi abelungu ababulawa. Then so that's why kwaze kwaba nada democratic eyenzakalayo la eSouth Africa engayi-understand right now ezinye izinto engizibonayo. So KZN, that's why bayimina ukuthi kumele kuthiwe iKwaZulu Natal, but mina ngokuya ngami bekumele ngabe vele-ke iNatal bayikhansela because it's the name of a person named that province as Natal because they were ruling leyo ndawo leyo ngaleso sikhathi lesamabhunu amangisi afika afuna ukuthatha iBhunu. So mina ngokwazi kwami umlando, makungabe-ke kini-ke ma-comrade wami, makomanda wami, mangabe kukhona la engi-wrong khona, ngicela ukuthi ningilungise yile way ngazi ngakhona lowo mlando lowo. Ngibonge makomanda wami, Commanders morning.
Siyabingelela. Cha, nami ngikhona la egrouphini, ngiyona futhi i-MK-ke. So izinto ey'ningi nje ze-MK ngiyazazi, so ngiyayilandela ezinye futhi. Yikhona le group ngayijoyina. So bengilokhu ngilandela nami la ngisalalela ngoba-ke uma usafika mhlawumbe entweni yikho ukuthi kukose ukuthi ulandelele kahle, uthole kahle. But okokuqala nje ngathola ukuthi igruphu eyomsebenzi kuphela, ngezwa kanjalo makugcizelela ukuthi le gruphu le igruphu yomsebenzi, uma kusho ukuthi makukhona inkinga noma la usebenza khona noma la ubona khona mhlawumbe ukuthi noma makukhona abashoyo ukuthi banenkinga kuphi. Kodwa-ke ngibuka ngathi ezinye izinto sizoyikhuluma khona la egruphini ngoba nawo amagruphu maningi akhona, maningi amagruphu akhona impela. So ngiyosixolela impela bona kubalulekile ukuthi umthetho wegruphu siwulandele, kodwa-ke izinto mase zinjena siyibuka kwenzakala, so umthetho siyawuphula. Njengoba-ke vele uphulwa-ke eSouth Africa, wonke umuntu ewuphula umthetho. So nathi sizowuphula, akukho esizokwenza. So ngoba ngeke singene kuwo wonke amagruphu. Idatha-ke thina libuye lishaye, mhlawumbe akukho, mhlawumbe abekho nabasifakelayo, mhlawumbe abasi-donate-elayo idatha. So manje libuye lishaye because izinto ey'ningi yidinga idatha, yabo. So namagruphu maningi, namanje lana bengibuka nje khona amanye kumele uwajoyine. So uyabona ukuthi uma usugcina ususemagruphini amaningi kakhulu, nawe uzogcina ungasazi ukuthi kwenzakalani mhlawumbe noma uya kuphi, uyabo. So mhlawumbe ezinye izinto sogcina sesiyikhuluma ngapha, hhayi ukuthi ngoba mhlawumbe umthetho group esingawulandeli yini, kodwa-ke ngesimo sokuthi nawo ama-group maningi kakhulu. So ya sengilalelile la ama-comrade sengiwazwile kakhulu nje, namanye bexoxa nje, kuke kwaxoxwa nje kwabanzana impela. Nami ngilokhu ngilalela ngilandela. So noma-ke abanye bengizwa ukuthi mhlawumbe kukhona abangahambisani nakho kwezinye izinto ebeyishiwoyo la, kodwa-ke iqiniso lokho kufanele sikwazi futhi sikuqonde ukuthi yebo-ke iqiniso alithandeki futhi liyalumela, siyayisisho njalo, uyabona, kodwa-ke uma kuyiqiniso iqiniso. So vele-ke awuthandeki uma ukhuluma iqiniso futhi awuthandwa. Nabanye nje abekho emhlabeni kunamhlanje, ngazi indaba zawo amaqiniso, kodwa-ke iqiniso liyakha. Kuwukuthi-ke mhlawumbe simane silithandi, kodwa liyakha iqiniso. So futhi iqiniso-ke malakha into eyohlala isikhathi eside, into yeqiniso kunale yamanga, ngoba eyamanga jika axabanise futhi, uyabona. So ngicathi kufanele sihlukanise ukuthi iqiniso lona libaluleke kakhulu. Ngiyandlula-ke lapho. Ngingene kulokuwa namhlanje-ke, cha, siyezwa la sibonge ne-report esithulelwe yona la, siyitholile, noma-ke thina vele besingekho singakhona ukufinyelela eMaritzburg, kodwa-ke sesitholile ukuthi-ke kwenzakaleni. So-ke salithola lonke iqiniso ukuthi-ke kwenzakalani, uyabona. Kukhona into engifuna mhlambe ukuyiveza la, so ethi mhlambe yini umzabalazo, makukhulunywa nje ngomzabalazo, ukuthi mhlambe bangakhona nje umuntu obuzayo ukuthi umzabalazo yini. Uma kukhulunywa ngomzabalazo kusuke kukhulunywa ngani, yabo, silwane sini umzabalazo, uma kuthiwa nje umzabalazo lo, noma umzabalazo lesikuwo, kusuke kukhulunywa ngani uma kukhulunywa ngomzabalazo, okokuqala. Okwesibili, uma uzabalaza usuke uzabalazelela ini. Umuntu nomuntu if esemzabalazweni, yini into esuke izabalazela umuntu uma esemzabalazweni, ukuze abe semzabalazweni, yini eyenza ukuthi uzungene ube semzabalazweni, yini osuke uyizabalazela. Yebo usungenile-ke, uzabalazelela ini, yini lo yizabalazelayo, yabona. So angazi, kodwa nje ngithi angiveze lokho ukuthi ezinye izinto kufanele siyibuke ukuthi njengoba iminyaka ihamba nje, njengoba unyaka uphela nalo sibheke ku-2026, ngicabanga ukuthi ezinye izinto ezisifundisayo lezo ukuthi sibuyele back emuva ku-drawing board, siyoqala kabusha kwesidraw, sibuke ukuthi ukusuka siqale i-MK iqala until manje kwenzakalani, ikuphi esesikuzuzile, ikuphi esisazokuzuza, uyabona. So ngicabanga ukuthi-ke lokho kuzivula amehlo ekuthenini njengoba kuke kwakhona abebeveza ukunganeliseki ngendlela okwenzakala ngayo ku-MK, mhlambe-ke thina abanye noma abanye ababuka ngazathi abakhulumi kahle, akunjani, uyabona. Kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi-ke ezinye izinto zakhona ziyavela ukuthi kukhona okungahambi kahle khona uma ubuka, uyabona. So nami ngithi ake ngiveze lokho ukuthi kufanele mhlambe sazi noma siyazi into esiyizabalazelayo ukuthi sizabalazela ini, into esifake kumzabalazo sifakwe yini kumzabalazo, yini into esayibuka sase sithi siyazabalaza-ke manje, uyabona. So